Happy morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today first we are going to revise three tables. Shall we see, children? Okay, see here. 1, 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are 27. 10 3s are 30. Shall we read once again, children? 1 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, like that we will say. When the long hand, that is the minute hand, is present in 12, towards 12, we will say as 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and etc. And the minute hand, that is the long hand, is towards 3. If it is pointing 3, we will say quarter past. What we will say, children? Quarter past. And if the minute hand is towards 6, pointing towards 6, we will say half past. What we will say, children? Half past. And if the long hand, that is minute hand, is pointing towards 9, we will say quarter to. Shall we see once again? If the long hand is pointing towards 12, we will say o'clock. And if it is pointing towards 3, we will say quarter past. And it is pointing 6, we will say half past. And if the long hand is pointing towards 9, we will say quarter to. So, do you understood the division on time? Okay. Next, we are going to see the format of a clock. So, in clocks there will be 12 numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, see here children, if the small hand and the long hand both are pointing towards 12, we will say as 12 o'clock. What it is? 12 o'clock. And to see an interesting activity. So we learnt about clocks. So we know how to mark time in clock, right? So here we are having a clock. So you say the time. What is the time here? Yes, the small hand and the long hand both are pointing towards 12. So the time is 12 o'clock. So I am going to keep a strip here and we are going to place the time according to the strips. Okay children? First see here. I am placing a first strip. So what is the time here? 8 hours 25 minutes. So it is 8 hours 25 minutes. So short hand denotes hours and long hand denotes minutes. So we are going to place this short hand towards 8 and long hand towards 5. So shall we place children? See here, I am going to move this short hand towards 8. So I have placed it towards 8. Now I am going to place 25 minutes. So each number, if we move the long hand from one number to another number, it denotes 5 minutes. It will increase by 5 minutes. So 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. So if we move 5 numbers, we will get 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 times we have to move 5 minutes. So now I am going to move children. See here. So now I have placed here. So it denotes 8 hours 25 minutes. Do you understood children? Next we are going to do for quarter past 7. So quarter past means the long hand. So quarter past 7 means the long hand should be pointing towards 3 and the hour hand, that is short hand, should be pointing towards 7. So shall we place it children? Okay. Now I am going to place this short hand towards 7 and long hand towards 3. See here. Now it is quarter past 7. Otherwise we can say as 7 hours 15 minutes. Do you understand children? Next see here. What time we are having here? 2 hours 50 minutes. So shall we move the hands children? So 2 hour means the short hand should be placed towards 2. So now I am going to move this short hand towards 2 and this long hand should be pointing towards 50. So each number have 5 minutes in between. So for making 50, shall we count? So 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So we have to put this long hand towards 10. Shall we move children? See here. Now I am moving towards 10. So 2 hours 50 minutes. Next see the time here. Quarter to 4. So quarter to means the long hand should be pointing towards 9. So it has quarter minutes to the next hour, to 4. So we have to put the short hand towards 3. So the time will be 3:45. So it have 15 minutes to reach 4 o'clock. So shall we place children? So the short hand should be pointing towards 3 and the long hand should be pointing towards 9. So see here, this is quarter past to 4 or 3 hours 45 minutes. Next, we are going to see for 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock means we have to put the small hand, our hand towards 5 and the long hand, minute hand towards 12. Shall we put, children? Okay, see here. Now I am pointing this short hand towards 5 and this long hand towards 12. So this is 5 o'clock. Now we are going to do for 3:30. So 3:30 means the long hand will be pointing towards 6 and the short hand towards 3. Shall we point, children? Okay, see here. Now I am going to point this short hand towards 3 and this long hand towards 6. So this is 3:30 or we can say as 3 hours 30 minutes. Next, see the time here. 6 hours 5 minutes. So short hand, our hand will be pointing towards 6 and the minute hand, long hand will be pointing towards 1. So shall we do, children? Okay, see here. Now this minute hand will be pointing towards 1 and this hour hand will be pointing towards 6. So the time is 6 hours 5 minutes. Hope you all enjoyed this activity, children. Children, now we are going to write classwork for chapter number 7. So first you have to write the date here. And you have to write the chapter name in the first line. So chapter number 7, time. T-I-M-E, time. Chapter number 7, time. First we are going to see division on time. So leave one line space, then start here. Division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. As I told you already, you have to leave one finger space between the words. Then only you have to write the next word. So I am giving one finger space and I am writing here on. O-N, on. Time. T-I-M-E, time. Division on time. So for this we are going to draw a circle and marks number from 1 to 12 as in a clock. See, children, in a clock we have 4 divisions. So if the hand is in 12 minutes, we will say as o'clock. So O clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock, o'clock. And if the hand is in 3 minutes, we will say quarter past, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter past, P-A-S-T, past, quarter past. If the hand is pointing towards 3 minutes, we will say as quarter past. And if the hand is pointing towards 6 minutes, we will say half past. H-A-L-F, half past. P-A-S-T, past, half past. And if the hand is pointing towards 9 minutes, we will say quarter to. So Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter to, T-O-2, quarter to. So now we have completed division on time. Now we are going to write exercise number 7.1. So children, see here. First we have completed division on time. Next we are writing exercise 7.1. So you have to write this in the center. Exercise 7.1. You have to write it in the center of the line. Next, first question is write the time shown on the clock face. So I have written the first question here. You have to leave one finger space between the words. You should always follow this, children. You have to leave one finger space between the words. So once again, see the first question. Write the time shown on the clock face. So here is the first question, children. This is a clock face. So we have to write what is the time shown on this clock. So see here, we have two hands, right? One is small hand or short hand and another one is long hand. So short hand represent hours and long hand represent minutes, right? So the short hand is pointing 6 and the long hand is pointing 12, right? So this is 6 o'clock. So we are going to write 6 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. 6 o'clock. So the time shown on this first clock face is 6 o'clock. And see the second one. The short hand is pointing towards 3, right? So if the hand is pointing between two numbers means we have to see the first one. So here it is pointing between 3 and 4. So between 3 and 4 the first one is 3. So the short hand is pointing towards 3 and the long hand is pointing towards 6, right? So the time is 3:30. So first we have to write hours. Then you have to keep colon. Then you have to write 30. Minutes is 30, right? So 3:30. Now we have completed the first question. Next we are going to write second question. For that I am going to turn the page because we don't have enough space on this page. So I am turning the page. Here I am going to write second question. Second question is draw. D-R-A-W. Draw the T-H-E. The hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands of. O-F. Of the. T-H-E. The clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Two. T-O-2. Show. S-H-O-W. Show the. T-H-E. The time. T-I-M-E. Time. After completing the question, you have to keep full stop. So, see the second question. Draw the hands of the clock to show the time. For that, I am going to draw a clock first. So, first one, clock. Now, see here children, I have drawn a clock here. So, what is the time given here? 12 hours, 15 minutes. First, we will have hours and second, we will have minutes. So, this is 12 hours, 15 minutes. In this question, they are asking us to draw the hands. So, see here, hours means we have to draw a short hand. So, we should draw a short hand towards 12. So, from center, I am going to draw a short hand towards 12. See here, I have drawn a short hand towards 12. And see the minutes, 15 minutes. For representing minutes, we will draw a long hand. So, 15 minutes, we have to draw a line towards 3, right? So I am going to draw a long hand towards 3. Why we are drawing long hand towards 3, children? They have given 15, right? Because in a clock the time between two numbers is 5 minutes. So 12 to 1 means 5 minutes, and again from 1 to 2. So total we will have 10 minutes. Then again 2 to 3. So totally from 12 to 3 we will have 15 minutes, right? So for 15 minutes we are drawing a long hand towards 3. Next we are going to write second one, B. Now here again I am going to draw a clock. Now see here, children, the second clock is drawn. So the time is 7 hours 45 minutes. So we have to draw hand for this time, 7 hours 45 minutes. We always draw short hand for representing hours, right? So 7 is the hours. So we are going to draw a short hand towards 7. So I am drawing here 7 hours 45 minutes. 45 minutes means we have to draw a long hand towards 9. So see here, I am going to draw a long hand towards 9. So here we have drawn the hands for the time 7 hours 45 minutes. Why we have drawn long hand towards 9, children? As we know, the time between two numbers is 5 minutes, right? So we have to say 5. We have to add 5 and come. See here, 12. We are starting here. So from 12 to 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 45 comes in 9. So we have to draw a long hand towards 9. Children, next we are going to write tables. Here I don't have enough space, so I am going to turn the page. Here I am going to write 7 tables. So 7 table, T-A-B-L-E, table. So first 1, 7 is 7. 2, 7 are 14. 3, 7 are 21. 4, 7 are 28. 5, 7 are 35. 6, 7 are 42. 7, 7 are 49. 8, 7 are 56. 9, 7 are 63. 10, 7 are 70. Shall we read once again, children? 1, 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. So children, you have to complete all these things. See here. First, you have to write the date here. Then you have to write the chapter name. Then, first one we have written division on time. So you have to draw the circle properly. Then you have to write the divisions on it. Then, exercise number 7.1. So you have to write this exercise number in the center of this line. Then you have to write the first question. while you are writing, you have to leave one finger space between the words. Then you have to draw this clock and write the time properly. Then second question, so you have to write these two clocks, and last we have written the tables. So you have to complete all these things in our maths classwork note and send it in the WhatsApp group, children. We will meet in the next class. So have a nice day, children. Thank you all.